name is Christy Kamak, and today we'll be going over a few of the Dining Etiquette Part 1 series. This table setting, we have our informal table setting, and we have our plate, our fork, our knife, our spoon, our water glass, and our napkin. This table setting is used at most dinners that you would have every day. And what you would want to remember is that your bread would be on the left and your drink would be on the right. So when you set your table, you want to always set your plate 1 inch from the edge of the table in the center of your cover, and that would be your plate setting. Your knife would go in towards the plate, and your spoon would go on your right side, and your fork would be on your left side. And your napkin is always to the left of the fork, or you can put your fork on top of the napkin. So this would be our informal table setting. Next, we have our formal table setting, and this would be used if you would go to dinner at someone's house or anywhere that would be more formal, and also like at a restaurant. So you would still use some of the same utensils. You would have your drink on your right, your spoon and your knife, with your knife being closest to your plate, turned in, and your spoon. Your fork would go on the left, and you would have your napkin. Now in the center, you would have your dinner plate, which would be at the bottom. You would have your salad plate. If you're having salad, that would be on top of your plate, and you would have a bowl, and this would be on top in the center in case you are having soup. So what you would do, you would eat from the inside, from the outside in. So this would be your formal table setting. And then last but not least, we have the most formal table setting, and this would be used if you're dining with like the president, and you have a little more utensils and a little more beverages and stuff, and this is normally used for a 21 course meal. So what we have, you still have your spoon and your knives on your left, on your right, your forks and your napkin on your left. Also on the right, you have a variety of glasses to drink. You have your saucer and your cup for coffee. You have your glasses, whether you're having champagne, white, or red wine here. You would have a place card for your guests sitting right in front of you. You would have your salt and pepper shakers, your bread and butter knife, your dessert spoon and fork, and your forks right to your left. Now the smaller fork is your salad fork, and it has the shorter tines, so you can see the difference between your dinner fork and your salad fork. And then on this side, you would have your soup spoon, and you would also have your coffee spoon and your knife. And that would be Dining Etiquette Part 1.